Oh, damn it, man. So, I finally done it. Finally shot my first video. I don't even know how it's going to be, but I just have to do it. I just have to shoot my first video, anyways. And man, I don't mind my backgrounds or the lighting. I'll just keep growing on it. So, damn. I've shot this video about 10 times. Hopefully, I get to post this one. It's not easy at all. Like, shout out to all the content creators out there. Shout out to all the YouTubers, all the content creators that make it feel easy. It's not easy. Yeah, I was asking my friend, how can I actually get this thing done? Get started with this YouTube of a thing, or this content creating of a thing. My bro was just like, guy, just mount the camera, stand at the front of it, and do what you have to do. Then you post. He said if you like, you edit. If you like, you don't edit. I don't think I might edit this one, but anyways, let's see how the thing is going to be. This is almost 1 a.m. If it's not 1 a.m. already, this time is not correct. This is not Nigerian time. The thing is that I have to post it today because my friends, we have an appraisal meeting, and definitely this is one of the tasks I said before January runs out. I'm going to make a post about it. I think this is 24th or 25th of January, I think 24th. So I have to make a post because I don't want to sit down and everybody's like, I've accomplished this, I've accomplished this, I've accomplished this. Me that just said I'm going to create my first YouTube channel and make a post. They'll be like, Joel, what's up? Have you done it? I'll be like, no. Then why haven't you done it? I'll say, man, it was feeling awkward for me to do it. Nah. God, I beg. Let me post this one. A lot of shout outs to content creators. Yeah, I'm a big fan of a lot of YouTubers. I follow them and yeah, they inspire me. I just have to grow on this. I don't want to do much. I don't even know whether I set my camera very, very well, whether I'm really framed well or not framed well. I don't even know. I didn't use enough lights. But anyways, time to time, I'm going to be growing on it. If I decide to make it look perfect, I might end up not shooting this thing. That kind of thing. So I'm not really looking for perfection now. I just need to shoot and encourage everybody out there. See, this is a sign. Joel has done it. Joel has created his own video. So go ahead and create yours. What I just did simple. I mounted my camera and sit down, and believe me, if I had used script, I don't think by now I would have made this shoot. So I don't know. Just do whatever works for you. I won't tell you not to use script. I will just tell you, find a way to just get comfortable and do what you have to do. Yes, I'm here now to, I think my other social media pages I'll start posting because I don't know why I created an account. I need to connect to a lot of people out there. Yeah, there are about 7 billion. I don't think I've met up to 1 million people yet. So I think that is the goal. 1 million new families. To not be easy though, sure, but in my country, I think there are about over 200 million. Let me see. I need like-minded people, at least 1 million. So stay blessed and be encouraged. I'm here. Let's connect. And let's create more things together. Yes, I'm here. If you have a beautiful channel that you can tag it, I'll go through it. I'll draw inspiration from you. No man is an island. Yeah. Let's get connected. Let's keep posting. Let's be encouraged. No bad energy. Stay positive. Yeah. So see you in my coming videos, not just my next videos. See you in my coming videos because I'm here for life and I'm here to stay. I'm going to be shooting. I know it's not going to be easy, but I'm here for whoever that wants to be seeing my content, to be seeing it and to stay encouraged. This is Somtee. Stay blessed. Remain peaceful. Hi, I'm hungry. Jesus. Come on. This content creator journey, eh? God, help me. Hi. Somebody just sit down and be. So, hello guys. So, I open up my laptop screen now too. Hi. What I'll come and do now. Mama. Lord, my strength. I play like play. Journey of 1,000 miles I've started.